Today, in the little kid's first big book of space, we are still looking up from Earth. But today, we will be learning about Earth. Earth is our planet, and we're very proud to call Earth our home. Let's check out Earth in our space unit. Oh man, this picture is amazing. Take a look. Look at Earth. It's so beautiful. And there's our moon. It says here, most of Earth is covered by oceans. The blue areas are water. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Cool. Let's take a look at some more facts about our planet, Earth. A planet is a big, round object in space that orbits a star. Do you remember what our star is called that we orbit? That's right, it's the sun. Earth is your home. The sun is your star. Earth is always moving. As it orbits the sun, it also spins around like a top. Wow, that's so cool. It's not just moving one way, it's moving 2 ways. And in our space unit, we are going to learn the difference about those 2 things. So when you orbit or you go around something, it's called revolving. Can you say revolving? Yeah, we're revolving or orbiting the sun. Now the other motion they talked about spins around like a top. That's called rotating. Now your turn, say rotating. That's right, friends. Rotating means you spin on an axis or a point. Let's learn a little bit more about Earth. When you spin around on your feet, you probably get dizzy, but you cannot feel Earth spin. No, you cannot. Earth is the 3rd planet in orbit around the sun. Do you remember the other 2 planets that are before Earth? Closer to the sun than us. Take a guess. It's hard, I know. We haven't learned too many planets yet. I heard some people say it. Yeah, the first planet closest to the sun is Mercury. And the next planet is Venus. Earth spins at 1,000 miles an hour. Wow, we are spinning, and we don't even feel that. Isn't that amazing? Don't you wonder why that is? I'm sure we'll find out during our space unit. Let's take a look at these pictures of Earth. What are we doing in these pictures? That's right, there's a girl on a swing. There's a boy camping with his dog. And in these pictures, you see pictures of nature. Some beautiful flowers and some winter trees. I wonder what these words are going to be about. Why don't you take a guess based on the picture clues that you have? What do you think I'm going to read to you about Earth? Great guess. Let's see. During the day, it is light outside and you can see the sun. As Earth spins, the place where you are on the planet turns away from the sun. That is when it gets dark outside. That's what these pictures are about, daytime and nighttime. As Earth keeps spinning, you soon see the sun again. It takes Earth 1 day and 1 night, that's 24 hours, to spin all the way around. Remember, that's rotating. Here it has, when it is summer, where you live, your part of Earth is tilted toward the sun. And when it is winter where you live, your part of Earth is tilted away from the sun. That's why we have shorter days and colder weather in the winter and longer days and warmer weather in the summer. How interesting. It's also interesting to know that when we are having winter on our side of planet Earth, the other side of the planet is having the opposite season. So the opposite of winter is summer, and the opposite of summer is winter. How cool is that? Whoa, look at these kids having fun. A strong, invisible force called gravity pulls everything on Earth down. Gravity keeps you and all the things around you from floating up into the sky. So if you've ever seen a video of astronauts in space, you'll notice that they're floating around. And for them to hold themselves down, they actually have to hook their feet down to the space shuttle itself because there's no gravity up there in their space shuttle. When you jump up from the ground, gravity is what pulls you back down. Could you imagine jumping and then continuing to go up, 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 up? That's crazy. It might be kind of fun too. It says here, can you jump up 5 times in a row to show that gravity works every time? Go ahead, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, every time. I didn't see any of you float off into space. That's good. Earth is a special planet. It is the only place we know of where there is life, plants and animals, including people. The jaguar is one of the many kinds of animals that live on planet Earth. And I'm sure you can think of many other examples. Thank you so much for learning about Earth with us in the little kids' first big book of space, my friends.